Hey, yes, today's Thanksgiving, but my godmother, Carlos, wants to say you.
I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
He's solving the Rubik's Cube there.
And it's solved.
Oh
Wait,
my!
and it's solved.
I have
That's only in 30. You done that in 36 seconds.
Not fast.
Now make a checkerboard. That fast. That's gonna take your time. Okay,
Checkerboard.
that's quick. That was quicker than you solving the original.
Of course it is. It's not that hard to do the checkerboard.
How?
I can do a Cyclops.
Yes, do it. How long does it take you for that?
I'm switching places.
It's hard to do a Cyclops.
So it takes you about an hour?
No, hold on. I just gotta.
I like that little light in front. Look,
So, what
Gross.
I do?
little light in front. That's great.
Oh, I just realized what to do.
I need to put my jeans on.
Boom, boom, boom. Oh, never mind.
You're having big trouble with this.
It's fine. Okay, I'm on red, so I need to make the all around it orange.
I'm gonna quickly run out to something. If you like Dragon City, put down in the comments.
What?
Dragon Powder. If you like Flash of Clans better,
You doing my phone?
put
I don't have your phone.
Better not. Well, I found it.
Flash of
I forgot.
Clans
Isabel.
longer. Since Flash of Clans has been out longer than
Cyclops.
Dragon City. Okay. That does look good.
Hold on, now I gotta remember how
This is gonna go down probably very good. Hold on, go to the, you can make that I or H. That looks like an I, or it could be H. My God, do you really have to do that horrible noise?
Yes, I do.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it sounds like a mouse or something.
Oh, I screwed it up.
Well,
It's fine. I can always end up solving the Rubik's Cube again.